check the edges.
All within spec, Supervisor.
All right, let's move it to storage bay 4.
Drawings confirmed, you can proceed with the cut. All right, transferring the final arc now and marking the section.
The diameter is spot on.
All right, lift it slowly and watch the rotation.
Easy now, slow it down on the starboard side. We need millimeter precision here. Copy that, watching the gap now.
Maintain consistent travel speed on pass 3.
Acknowledged. Heat input is stable.
Profile scan looks nominal here. Confirmed, entering the data now. The heat treat looks consistent. All right, set her down slowly. Watch the starboard side. Clear on this side. Looks aligned, begin tacking. The weld integrity looks good here.
All right, mark it complete on the schematic.
Lower, easy, easy now.
It's settling into the brackets.
All right, firing up the welder. Hold it right there. A little to the starboard. Okay, set her down.
Easy now, bring it down another 5 millimeters. We need perfect alignment on that shaft coupling before we secure the bed plate.
Bus bar aligned on cell 4.
Applying torque. Check the reading.
Reading is stable at spec. Easy now, watch the starboard side. Aft, just a little more aft. Clear on this side, alignment looks good.
Almost there. Bring it down 5 more centimeters.
Steady, it's seated.
Secure the clamps immediately.
Left, slowly now, watch the alignment on the flange.
We're almost seated.
Hitting it with the gun. Pressure holding steady at 3,000.
No bubbles on the manifold connection.
Check alignment on rail system 3.
Confirmed. Clear to proceed with the loading sequence test.
Ensure all connections match the schematic. We cannot afford interference during Wolfpack operations.
Echo Base, this is Sierra 1, radio check.
Reading 5x5, testing complete on channel 4.
Leveling complete. Power conduit secured. Heading confirmed. All systems green. Navigation ready.
Looks good. Check gauge 7.
Reading confirmed. We are fully operational.
Ballast control. Valve indicator reads green.
Acknowledged. Opening seawater injection valve now.
Actuation confirmed. Pressure steady at 2000 psi.
Make sure you set that to 75. The schematic calls for a precise torque on the main lugs.
75, copy that.
The ultrasonic reading is clear. We are holding pressure steady across the bank.
We've got bubbles forming right here.
Noted. Rework that seam immediately.
All right, easy now, watch the taper. Lining up the keyway. Run out check initiated.
Easy now, watch the starboard side. The pressure needs to stabilize here before we cycle the helm.
Ensure the wiring harness is secured to the pedestal.
Yes, sir. Now traverse right. Steady on the horizon.
Start the sequence now, bring it up slowly to the red line. Pressure approaching target, holding steady at 500 psi, engineer. Acknowledge. Record the data. We are initiating the hydrostatic test to 150% depth pressure. Adhere strictly to the safety protocol. Did you finish the NDT on compartment 4?
Yes, the weld's passed inspection. We can proceed with reinstallation. Lowering the cradle onto the transport, easy now.
All right, secure the chains and double check the padding.
We have clearance on the doors.
We are approaching the transfer point. All stop in T-minus 30 seconds.
B team is ready at the cradle. Confirm green light for transfer.
Bring her down slowly, watch the alignment.
Clear on the port side.
Starboard is good, keep coming down. 10, 9, 10, 7, 5.
Even line away. We got it. Bring the main line over. All ahead, slow.
Okay, the sensor reading is clear. Water level at 0.4 meters.
Bilges are dry, Supervisor. All compartments checked.
Excellent work, Inspector. The integrity is confirmed.
Ensure the starboard gangway is secured properly.
We need QC approval on that cable connection before powering up.
Ballast tank 4 is fully pressurized and stable. We have green across the board.
Confirmed. The trim is holding perfectly within parameters.
Flooding sequence initiated on tanks 3 and 4.
Confirmed. Indicators show full flood. Now blowing tanks 1 and 2.
Engine room reports main propulsion at 50% throttle. All systems check out.
Engine 1 stabilized. Requesting generator engagement.
Acknowledged. Monitoring load levels. All parameters green.
Cooling systems holding steady. Bank 4 steady at 500 amps.
Torpedo motor controls responding normally. Ground fault detection is active.
The chromatic aberration is within tolerance at this focal length.
Confirmed. Adjusting the prism alignment now.
Periscope rotating smoothly through 360 degrees.
Pairs extending to full length. Contact bearing 0 designate Sierra 2. Transmit on schedule, Golf. Confirm receipt. Over.
Engineering, verify circuit integrity.
Log the successful transmission at 1400 hours.
Maintain strict radio silence on HF unless directed.
Signal strength holding steady at minus 20 dBm. Supervisor.
The sweep is complete. We have a clear return signal.
Confirmed. System operational parameters are nominal.
Confirm bearing accuracy on that last sweep.
Holding steady at 290, sir. Classification is Tango Mike Foxtrot.
Sierra 22, possible merchant, bearing steady at 090.
A consistent return on the transient broadband. Let's verify the array alignment.
Aligning now, Supervisor.
Gyro reading steady at 090.
Confirmed. Reference bearing checks out.
Gyro read steady on 3, 4, 5.
Confirmed. Plotting solution looks good, Captain.
Very well. Ensure all logs are updated.
Control room, this is the weapons bay. Tube 1 is pressurized and ready. Initiating launch sequence.
Torpedo seated and locked. Outer hood systems green for ejection test.
Maintain alignment on the track.
Holding steady, Chief.
Door locked. Run system diagnostics, verify pressure. Keep tightening. We're losing too much pressure.
Got it. The line is secure.
We have a major rupture, starboard side. Get the submersible pump running now.
Flooding contained. Pressure stabilizing.
We have a simulated Class Alpha fire in the auxiliary machine room.
Roger. Deploying the AFFF.
Shoring installed. Pressure holding at 50 psi. Throttle set, stable at 50 knots. Adjusting heading now.
Roger that, Captain. Heading corrected.
Good scan flow. Monitor the airspeed closely. Watch your trim angle. Stabilize at 50 feet.
Log the fuel transfer rate now.
Confirm inner door is shut and locked.
Control room. Monitor the ballast levels closely. Aye, Captain.
Well done, sailor. Welcome to the qualified ranks.
Control. Sonar checks complete.
Engine room. Reports ready for sea.
Bridge is manned and ready for departure, Captain. Bridge maneuvering. All ahead 1/3. Right full rudder. All ahead 1/3. Right full rudder. Aye. Engineering. Report status.
Propulsion is stable at maximum speed, sir. Fuel consumption within parameters.
Acknowledged. Speed trial successful.
The submarine's propulsion capability is meeting all operational requirements, and comprehensive testing.
Rudder response is excellent. We are holding maximum RPM.
Confirmed. Speed specifications achieved. Validation successful.
Maintain course at 090. How are the tanks looking?
Ballast at 90%. Pressure holding steady. Tanks are full, sir. Main ballast tank vents, are they open?
Vents open, sir.
Bow planes, response check.
Checked and responding, Captain.
Pre-dive checklist. External hatches.
Secured, sir.
Watertight doors.
Closed and dogged. Ballast control reports ready.
Coming up to final depth. Match your rate to the board.
Matching the board, Captain. Periscope depth achieved.
Raise the scope.
Flood main ballast tanks 1 and 2.
Rig for diving.
Flooding tanks 1 and 2, sir. Planes at 5 degrees down.
Passing 10 meters. All compartments holding pressure.
Dive the boat. Open the flood valves.
Flooding main ballast tanks. Aye, Captain.
Helm. Maintain depth at 100 meters.
Engineering, report hull integrity.
Approaching 100 meters. Pressure holding steady.
Compartment checks complete. No anomalies detected. Confirmed.
Maintain current depth for inspection. Depth holding steady at 200 meters. No structural anomalies detected.
Excellent work. Initiate ascent procedures.
Depth holding steady at maximum. All systems nominal.
Very good, Captain. Hull integrity confirmed. We are safe for deep operations.
How much time to the surface?
20 seconds, Captain. All valves open. Max flow.
Emergency deep. Emergency blow. Blow all tanks.
High pressure air on. Aye.
We are at the surface. Secure the drill.
Helm, diving officer. Take her down to 400 feet.
Aye, diving officer, 15 degrees down bus bubble.
Speed holding steady, good control on the planes.
Rudder ordered 15 degrees left. Planes holding steady during the turn. Minor pressure fluctuation detected. Valve actuation confirmed.
Airflow normalizing. Diesel intake stable.
System response is within acceptable limits.
Engines are synchronized. Full power to the batteries.
Confirmed. Steady charge rate achieved while submerged. All parameters green.
Control, we are accelerating to 20 knots now. Monitor the propeller cavitation closely.
Levels remain exceptionally quiet, Supervisor.
The acoustic signature remains low across the full speed range.
Stealth capability confirmed.
Control, torpedo room. Tube 1 is pressurized and ready to fire.
Torpedo room, control. Authorized to fire tube 1.
Feuer frei! Ziel erfasst! Achtung! Feuer! Laden! Nächste Patrone bereit! Laden! Geladen! Feuer! Erneut laden! Feuer! Target bearing 045! Open fire! Cease fire! Reload!
We are switching to reduced power illumination now. Battery still at 60%.
Copy that, Control. Life support is green across the board.
Dive, dive. All stations manned and ready.
Maintaining course at flank speed.
Surfacing procedure initiated. Clear the bridge.
The data confirms we're maintaining speed well over 17 knots. Propulsion system is performing flawlessly at maximum output.
Pressure holding steady. Slight vibration on the starboard engine.
Acknowledged. Maintain course.
Secure the dive at 1,000 feet.
Aye, Captain. Depth achieved in 1 minute, 12 seconds.
Dive! Dive! Emergency crash dive! Flooding main ballast. Bow planes full dive.
Periscope depth achieved.
Emergence deep. Clear the bridge. Hustle.
Open the vents. Helm, planes hard down.
Hard down. Aye.
As you can see, the consumption rate is slightly lower than projected.
Yes, the range calculations confirm we are well over target.
Helm, steady as she goes. We've exceeded the 8,000-mile mark. The trials are a complete success.
The discharge rate aligns with the projections. Helmsman, increase speed by 5 knots and report consumption.
Aye, increasing speed now.
How are the batteries holding up, Ensign?
Discharge rate is stable, sir. We are at 88% capacity.
Bearing reading is 085.
Plotting the fix now. It aligns perfectly with the known position.
Excellent work. The system accuracy is confirmed.
How does the celestial fix compare to the DR position?
Well within limits, Commander. Navigation assessment is accurate.
Gyro verification complete, sir.
Lima Kilo 2, this is Submarine Alpha. Confirming successful transmission at 200 nautical miles.
Over. Wolfpack, target acquired. Close to engage, bearing 320.
Wilco, closing.
Sonar contact, bearing 090, high speed.
Helm, full rudder left, emergency deep. All compartments, immediate silent running.
They're close. New course, steady on 320. Maintain silent running.
Aye, Captain. Contact fading.
combat. We have a valid firing solution on track 2.
Stand by for weapon release simulation.
Torpedo room, rapid reload sequence, commence.
Tube 4 loaded and ready.
Con, sonar, target bearing 090.
Battle stations, weapon status?
Solution ready, sir. Awaiting launch authorization.
Fire! Torpedo away.
All maintenance cycles are logged and verified here.
Outstanding. The material condition is excellent, Commander. We recommend full certification.
Helm, steady on course 090.
Aft emergency shutdown sequence initiated.
Inspection complete. Well done, Captain.
Congratulations, crew. You pushed the limits, and you passed.
Welcome to the mission team.
Dive. Angle 25 degrees down bubble.
Helm, steady the course at 40. Emergency blow initiated.
Dive. Execute emergency surfacing procedure.
Flight control, ballast clear to blow.
Well done, gentlemen. You are certified.
Captain, this vessel is now yours. Man your station and bring her to life.
Im Namen der Bundesrepublik Deutschland stelle ich dieses U-Boot hiermit offiziell in Dienst. Möge es allzeit sichere Fahrt haben.
Make sure the compressor is fully charged, sailor.
Yes, sir. Torpedoes are secure. Tubes 1 through 4 loaded. Final weight distribution confirmed. Torpedo secured in tube 1, sir.
Final inventory check complete.
Dog in the hatch, all clear below.
Alpha team, this is the infiltration point. The target is located here, marked X. We have a narrow window before the patrol rotation.
The operational area covers sectors 4 through 7. High enemy activity is expected along these routes.
And Sector 5 surface assets?
Enemy convoy routes are here. Heavy activity in this sector.
We engage here. Evasion tactic confirmed. Questions?
Are we clear on the ROE, sir?
Affirmative. Helm, sound the dive.
Stabilization matrix is showing a yellow flux, Captain.
Acknowledged. Override and prepare for ignition.
Are all departments reporting ready for patrol, Lieutenant?
Yes, sir. All systems confirmed operational.
Control room ready, sir.
Engine room reports full readiness.
Very well. All ahead slow.
Bridge, cast off the last line. Engine room, ahead slow.
Lines clear, Captain. Engines responding, ahead slow. Leinen los. Slow ahead together. We have the watch. To the Atlantic.
We are approaching the patrol area. Estimated time of arrival is 2300 Zulu.
Very well. Maintain current course and speed.
All right, team, this is the drop-off point. Echo, you take point left. Doc, stay tight on my 6. Watch for movement near that ridgeline. Let's move.
Zero hoch. Volle Kraft voraus.
Jawohl, Herr Kaloin. Suche läuft.
Alarm! Dive!
Bearing 090. Prepare for attack.
Sonar, bearing 090, faint Sierra 1.
Fire control solution is ready, Captain.
Set target bearing and stand by. Shoot on sight.
Con, sonar, we have contact. Bearing 090.
All right, maneuvering now.
Fire control ready.
Shoot!
We have launch confirmation. Target bearing remains steady at 195. Estimated time packed.
Fire control, shoot!
Tube 1, pressurized. Torpedo away.
45 seconds to impact. 46.
Weapon status, ready. Fire 1, fire 2.
Hey, sir, torpedoes away.
Counting down. T-minus 45 seconds.
Emergency dive. Take her deep.
Sonar contact, bearing 090, closing fast.
Rig for silent running. Maximum depth.
Send the bow line over to the pier now. Aye, Captain. Welcome home. Commanding officer reports successful patrol, sir. Mission accomplished.
Welcome home, Commander. Well done.
Control, this is Maintenance Team A. Engine diagnostics complete, all parameters nominal.
Roger that, Alpha. Torpedo 1 clear to load.
The U-boat fleet faced the unforgiving Atlantic for years. Through storms and fierce combat, these crews...
It clearly demonstrates the strategic impact on the supply lines.
And the effectiveness ratio is unprecedented for the period.
The industrial mobilization for the U-boat program achieved remarkable scale, reaching peak output during the height of the Atlantic campaign.
As you can see, the original design from the blueprint influences the current iteration.
Ah, so that's how the differential works under load.
On those details. Analyzing the Type 7 shows us the critical link between wartime operational feedback and
The systematic analysis of our construction methodology, from steel plate fabrication to the final assembly,
Pay close attention to the seam welding here. Structural integrity is paramount for the pressure hull.
Engine 1 failure, master caution.
Checklist applied. Engine stabilized.
Very smooth, Captain. Let's review the approach.
The program focuses heavily on damage control.
breach secured, atmosphere stable.
Identify the source of the pressure drop.
Starboard side flooding, deploy the patch immediately.
Helm, steady as she goes. Aft reports, signaling secure.
The flanking maneuver achieved full saturation. Update the doctrine.
Confirmed, Brigadier. Operational parameters logged.
There it is. Run the sequence again and print the coordinates.
The technical competition is driving rapid innovation. Our successful countermeasures, particularly in radar and
The early campaign showed immense potential, sinking record tonnage. But as the technological balance shifted,
Through meticulous preservation, these historic vessels serve not just as memorials, but as vital educational tools.
The engineering here is remarkable given the constraints of the period.
Absolutely, it influenced submarine development for decades.
The significance of the Atlantic campaign cannot be overstated.
And the engineering lessons from the Type 7.
If you align the conduits according to the schematic, the power transfer should stabilize. That's it. Well done.